Hello everyone. I welcome you all on behalf of GDSC IIITV. So today I'm going to give a workshop on introduction to Git and GitHub. So let's begin. So first of all, I will introduce myself. Okay, so I am audible and my screen is also visible to you all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am Rahul Bansal. I am BTech pre-final year student of IIIT Vadodara. I am open source mentor in GDSC IIITV, and I have participated in a lot hackathons and also I have participated in Hack with MIT organized by MIT IEEE Cell. We won that hackathon. After that, we will participated in a hackathon organized by JSS Technical Education, Karnataka, and we also honored by the Deputy CM of Karnataka. So this is all about me. Now we will start with our agenda. Today's agenda, I will tell you about Git, what is Git, what is GitHub, what is the difference between Git and GitHub, and then after that we will contribute to the GDSC IIITV repository. So can you please anybody tell me like what is Git and why should we use it? From first year IIITV, ICD, second year.
Sir, GitHub is a coding hosting platform.
No, I am asking Git. What is Git? Both are different, right? So from first or second year, you can turn on your mic or you can also write it in the chat box. What is Git and why should we use it? File versioning systems to store files, version controller, right? So Pratik, can you please tell me what is version controller? So I will tell you what is Git and why should we use it. Basically, what happens when we do any project, did any project, or we will make any file or folder. So if I will code, then I will save it as code one. Then I will make any changes. Then I will save it as code one final, then code one final. So this will create a lot of. So we have to avoid this, right? So basically, Git is an open source version control system. Open source software. This is an open source software and is used to code that is designed to be publicly accessible. Like it is a open source software, so anyone can accessible it. Anyone can see, modify, and distribute the code as they see fit for free. Version control system is also known as source control and the practice of tracking and managing changes used to tracking and managing changes to a software code. After that, uh, now come to the GitHub. What is GitHub? So basically, GitHub is made up of two terms. Here, Git is a version control system, and Hub is a center of activity. So GitHub provide us the platform where we can host our web pages, our repositories. It is an cloud type software. So it is a cloud-based code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. Multiple people can contribute to the same code base at the same time. So basically, GitHub help us to host our repositories, help us to collaborate. Basically, when we do projects, when we are a team and do a projects, so multiple people have to contribute to that project. So how we will contribute? With the help of GitHub. And one of the main point here is this: GitHub is not Git. Here, GitHub is not Git, means GitHub is a hosting platform where Git is a version control system. I will explain you this by using an example like this. This is the logo of Git and this is the GitHub logo. I'm audible now. If you have faced any type of technical glitch, you can interrupt me in the between. Okay. So this is the logo of Git and this is the logo of GitHub. So basically, by simple example, I will want to tell you the difference that like you can compare Git as like a gallery. Like in our phone gallery, we can store pictures on our phone on a local storage. That's like a Git. But GitHub is like a Google Photos where you can access it, you can collaborate it, and you can open that part anywhere around the globe. So same is GitHub is same like the Google Photos. For an example, so Git store files on the local device, whereas GitHub it is a code stored on the cloud and push code to shared repositories. So this is all about Git and GitHub. So this is an hands-on session. I hope everyone has installed Git in your systems, right? So there are two prerequisites. One is install Git. I will give you the link in the chat box. If someone who has not installed it, please install this software using that tutorial. This tutorial. So all of you have made your GitHub account or not? Okay. Okay. So we will start with our tasks. So if you have installed Git, have you configured it? I will present my screen. So from now onwards, you have to do what I will done in my screen. So open Git bash. First, I will present my whole screen. Yeah, you can install.
I think
So
Rahul,
I
we
will.
should wait for a couple of minutes so that we
Yeah,
can
yeah, I am
install this.
waiting.
If not, that
So the students who have not installed Git, please first install. I will wait for 5 minutes. No issues. So first, everyone, please install that. I will tell you how to configure Git. No issues, Ayush. I will tell you. So have you installed the Git? So I will tell you how to configure that. So how many of you you have not yet installed?
No, yes, yes, sir. I have not installed it.
Not installed
Installed
yet,
it.
but I am installing now.
Trying.
I am installing now.
Sir, what in this only PC or Android?
Yeah, sorry, can you please repeat?
जी सर क्या ये केवल पीसी में ही इंस्टॉल होगा या फिर लैपटॉप उसमें नहीं हो सकता सर क्या एंड्रॉइड में
No, this is an app desktop application.
ओके
You have to install it in your laptop or PC.
सर इसका रिकॉर्डेड जो वीडियो है ये कहाँ पे मिलेगा सर हेलो यस सर
You can attend this session after this. After 1 or 2 days, you will access it from YouTube.
सर चैनल
Himanshu, don't worry. We will provide you the recorded link of the session. So don't worry.
because I'm my PC is my laptop is shut down so
No issues. We will provide you with the recorded lecture, recorded video of this particular session. So don't worry about it.
So I will tell you how to configure this. After that, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in between. You can stop me and ask me doubt. So first of all, open the Git bash, and these are the these are the two commands, Git configuration commands. So Git config is global user dot name like my username is Rahul Bansal 0502. You can see your username from there. So this is my GitHub account. This is my username and this is my your profile. So this is my username. I will write my username here. So it is configured. You can check this by writing this only. So you can simply write git config -- global user dot name. It will print your username. After that, you have to configure your email. And for this, the command is git config global user dot email. So my email is my institute ID. Oh shit. I have made one mistake here. So you can also check your configuration mail ID by using user.email, and it will tell you that what is your configuration mail ID. I hope everyone has configured this. Have anyone?
Sir, can you please paste the commands in the chat box?
Yeah, you can see it from there. So have you all guys configured your GitHub account? Your Git bash? So write it in chat box. Code is not running. Why? You can check your Shaurya Kumar Gupta. You can check your GitHub username from here, from your profile, from your GitHub account. Like my username is Rahul Bansal 0502. Yeah, yes. You have to first made a GitHub account. This is one of the prerequisite. Okay. Pratmesh, are you facing this doubt again? So I am again telling you how to conclude. So first, देखो git config global user dot name, and you have to write your username here in double quotes. So have you write this? Actually, interface is different. You have to open git bash. Pawar, Pratmesh, Prashant, you have to first open git bash.
Sir, I have done that. How come we will know that it's run properly?
So have you write this code git config minus hyphen global user dot name?
Yes, sir.
So after this, you have to simply write up to user dot name, and it will print your username. So Aman, you can made your GitHub account using your institute mail ID, so that you Ayush, you can use your personal email ID, but in future you have to provide your institute mail ID to access student developer pack. Yeah, Ankur. Ankur, it will require internet.
The username thing is done. How to check the email one?
Same for email.
Actually, sir, I have used both my personal email and the student email in my GitHub account. So which one to enter?
Either of mail you can use. Yagnesh Praful Chandra, you can easily check config. You can check it by writing simply git config double hyphen global user dot name. It will print your username if it will configure. So can we move forward, or I have to wait some more time? Okay, so if anyone has any doubt, first raise your hand and then present your screen. If anyone has any doubt, first raise your hand and present your screen. Present, Prathamesh.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah. Show me what
Yes,
issues are.
this one.
Okay, so right. Have you opened Git Bash?
Yes, sir,
Oh,
this one.
just a second. No. You will go to any folder, like you will go to your documents.
Actually, I have changed
Any folder.
its location from C drive to D drive.
You will like you will right click here on your main screen. Right
Yeah.
click here. On which folder you have opened? Git. So you
Yes,
have
sir.
opened Git. Right click here. Open Git Bash here. Now write your command. Yeah, Neha, you can configure.
So what should I do now?
Now you have to configure your mail ID. So okay, you will configure it. If you face any doubt in configuration, you can stop me in between. So after this, these are some basic command we will use in throughout this session: git checkout, git add file, git status, git commit, git push, git pull, git clone. And this is our task for the today's session. So first, you will open your GitHub. Okay. After that, go to this link. So you have to make a PR in this repository, GitHub Workshop January 2022. I will paste the comment in the chat box. So how to fork the repository? So first task is fork and clone the repository. So you have to click first on the fork, then your GitHub account. Like my GitHub account is Rahul Bansal 0502, and it will fork my fork that rep. It will fork the repo in my personal account. So have you done up to this?
Sir,
Sir,
can
can
you
you
say
please,
that again?
Yeah,
please
you
show
Yes,
the
sir. Can you please repeat it again?
yeah, you can simply click. So have you click on this that chat box link?
Yes. After that.
Yes.
After that, you have to click on the fork option in right top corner. After that, actually I have already forked it. So you have your username when you click on fork, right? Have your username there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you are in your repository, like your username / GitHub Workshop Jan 2022, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first click on code, copy the link, click on code, copy that link. After that, in any folder, go to that folder, open git bash and write git clone. And after that, using right click, paste that link and press enter. So your first task is completed or not? Your first task is fork and
Sir, can you please repeat?
you have to first copy this link from here. You have to just simply click on this copy icon, and after that write git clone and paste the link here. So have you pasted the link?
Sir, where to paste?
Write git clone in git bash. Write git clone. After that, paste that link. I think my screen is visible to you all. You have to simply write git clone and paste that link here.
Yes, sir. Done. Yes, sir. Done. Yes.
So everyone from the IIITV and ICT, please be focused on today's workshop. This is the first and the last introductory workshop of Git and GitHub. So can we move forward? Okay, so our second task is update the repository. So what we have to do now, you have to just click write cd. Okay, so before this, now you have one folder on your desktop, GitHub Workshop Jan 2022, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Open that folder, open the data file. Fast, be quick. Open the folder, open the data file. Have you opened that file?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have no such folder in my desktop.
Have you cloned that folder?
Yes, sir.
So from where you have cloned? First check where have you cloned this folder. Like I have cloned my repository on attachment folder. So this is my attachments folder, and here is my GitHub repository, GitHub Workshop Jan 2022. And after that, open file data. So Arpan, have you opened the data file?
No, sir, just a minute.
Oh, so you have
Sir,
to
it is
open
asking, look for an
yes.
app in the Microsoft Store. It's not opening directly.
You can open it on Notepad.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I didn't
Satvika,
find.
have you write? What do you have write? Git clone. Oh yeah, it is git space clone.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Sir, after doing that, what we have to do?
So have you opened that folder, data file?
No, sir. Where to open?
After cloning the GitHub repository, open that
Yes, sir.
repository. And after opening that repository, you have to open data file from that folder. And after opening the data file, you have seen this type of text on your screen.
Yes, sir.
So be quick and please tell me if you have any kind of doubt. Okay. Satvika, have you cloned your repository? Ayush Patel. Okay, so we will move to our task second. Update the repository. So what you have to do? You have find one link in. I will copy it. So I have placed one link in your chat box. So open that link and upload your picture in this on this link. Like I will upload my picture. Using this website imagebb.com, upload your one photograph on this link.
सर ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो में ये लिंक वगैरह हमें मिल जाएंगे क्या या नहीं मिल पाएंगे सर?
All the links are available on the GitHub repository.
नो सर, जो आप ये बता रहे हैं कि ये लिंक ओपन करके इसमें ये फोटो
All the links are available in GitHub repository.
ओके सर.
If you will check the readme of that GitHub repository, you can find that link here, https://imgbb.com. So from here, you have to copy this link, https://i.bb.js.
Sir, what to do after uploading the image?
You have to copy the link.
Sir, which link?
Here is link na. I am opening that link. BB code link. This link https from https.
Sir, the image is not uploading.
You have to upload square image. Crop that image. So you can upload any from your any image. Like first copy the link. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to simply copy the data like this. And you have to enter your details like your name, your batch, your picture URL, your Twitter handle, your GitHub handle, your LinkedIn handle, and the code you want to display on your repository. So any one student can present your screen who have performed this task.
Can I present?
Yeah, Harsh, you can present your screen.
Sir, what to do after copying that link? Can you please repeat once?
So in data file, what you have to do, you have to first copy this text here and enter your details.
Sir, is it visible?
Okay, so yeah, Harsh, it is visible. Like data, edit. Yeah, right. You are visible. Present.
Yes, sir.
So edit your name.
Yes, sir.
So like Harsh, you have to do the same. Like you have to just copy the above code and write your name, your batch.
Yes, sir.
Write your batch.
Yes, sir.
Your picture URL that you have copied from there.
At this one?
Yeah, this is maybe right.
Or that one, I think. Which one? Sir, this URL, no?
Image one. .jpg link, like from there. HTTP is from there. Yeah.
I think this one. No? Sir, is it okay?
No. You have to just open that. You have to just copy that .jpg link.
.jpg link. Here, no? View linkers.
Just a second.
Sir.
You can also copy that HTML link. Okay. So open your VS Code.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen that image part? HTTPS.
HTTPS.
I.bb. This link. Yes. You have to only copy this link.
Acha, sir. Which link I am not getting? Acha, okay. I got it. That JPG, na? Until JPG.
You have to only copy that .jpg link.
Until this?
Yeah. You have to put this in your double quotes.
Yes, sir. Is it
So
okay
you
now?
check your link that your image name will be present in the last of that link. Like here. Okay. Harsh, present that screen.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, now tell me what to
Increase the size of your screen.
Sir.
Using Ctrl++. Yeah, okay. So everyone, please be focused on that on the presenting screen. Harsh, please read that before part, like before the image part.
Before
From
the
that
image part,
IMG.
that
Before that
IMG.
IMG.
Acha. Okay.
Yes. Read this.
Is it okay now?
Yeah. So you have to only copy this link from the website. Okay. So then update your Twitter handle, your GitHub handle, your LinkedIn handle, and your quote.
Acha, okay.
Sir, there is a red vertical line on the left side of my piece, vocabulary.
Sorry.
Sir,
can I present?
Sir, can I stop presenting now?
You can stop your presenting your screen and update your links.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I present?
Yeah. So everyone, please be quick. You have entered wrong picture URL, Ayush. So just a second. You can open your open that website imagebb.com. Ayush. Your screen is not visible, Ayush. Have you presented only one screen?
Let me change that.
So you can stop. I will present my screen again.
Okay, sir.
So you guys have to only present, you have to copy this link only. Like either you will go to HTML course or BB course. You have to only copy this link from there. That is in between this. Okay, so now screen. I hope my screen is visible. You have to copy only this link from BB code. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Be fast, be quick. Yeah, Satvika, after this, update your other links. Your Twitter handle, your GitHub handle, your LinkedIn.
Sir, after updating other links, what we need to do?
Okay. Okay, so save this file. After this, go to your folder, open git bash. Write git add dot. Git add dot. After that, git status. So you have to do you have to write two commands, git add dot and git status. So anyone has any doubt? I hope my screen is visible. Git add dot, git status. After that, write git commit -m space your message of PR. Like I want to message like update. You have to write your message or your institute ID. Like my institute ID is 2019511121 and my name is Rahul Bansal. After that, git push origin and master. So anyone has any doubt in between this process? Okay.
Sir, can you just maximize your Git bash?
Yeah, sure. So here we use git add dot. This means you have to add all the files that you have changed. Git status tells you what is the status of a Git repository, what you have modified. Like I have modified the data.json file. After that, you have how to commit. You have to using the command git commit -m and you have to write the message. Like what changes you have done. After that, you will write this command and this is not working. Why? So you have to write git push origin master and the code will push to the GitHub repository. So have you done up to this point?
Yes, sir.
So can you please tell from the starting when we after entering in git hash git bash? Sorry, my network is weak, so
You have to write this command git add dot. It will add all the files to your git. After that, you have to write git status. It will tell you the status of the git repository or the changes you have made in that git repository. Git commit m -m command is used with text message. Used to commit the changes you have made. You have to write the text inside the double quotes what changes you have done in the git repository. For your case, you have to write your institute ID, your name. After that, write git push origin master. It will push all the code to the GitHub.
Sir, it is asking for username password.
So provide your username and password.
Sir, I am able to provide username, but for password it is not accepting.
No, it is accepting. You have to just write your password and press enter. It will not visible.
Sir, in Mac it is not working.
Sorry, in Mac it's not working. After entering password, is it what it is showing?
In the password box there is some key sign, and whenever I am trying to type, nothing output. There's no output.
Yeah, the output will not show on your screen. You have to just enter your password and press enter. It will authenticate your credentials. So, anyone has any doubt? The support for authentication via password is no longer available.
Yes, sir, I am also facing that problem.
Authentication fail. Last. So first, you will see what you have to do after this. I will take your doubt after this session. So after this, you have to push your repository to GitHub. After this, go to your repository. Like this is my repository, Rahul Bansal 0502 GitHub Workshop Jan 2022 and GitHub. Click on contribute, open pull request, and the changes you have made will be seen on the screen like this. So create pull request, and here you can write your comment like what changes you have done. I have entered my details. Create a pull request. So you can see I have created my first PR to this repository. So this is the last task of the session. So we have fork or clone the repo, update the repository, commit. We have commit the changes and open a pull request. So after this, After this, the owner, the administrator, or the coordinator of this repository can merge this pull request. And you can see these changes. So this is a web page. After committing your changes, when your pull request will merge, your photo, name, and details will also be present here. So ask me if you have any doubt. Okay. Now the session is open for you all, guys. If you have any query in between this session, you can ask. If you have any kind of doubt, you can present your screen and ask. First, raise your hand. So you can see this after I will merge my my PR. Like I am the owner of this repo, so I can merge this. So after this, if I will refresh this page, it will take some time. So here we have 4 pull requests. Kshitij Gaur, 20211 Prodder, Somil Singh.
Yes, sir.
So you have made one change. Okay. So if anyone has any doubt throughout this session, you can ask here. You can also ping us on our Discord. Yeah, Dhruv.
Sir, I have also done the pull requesting, but my name is not showing there.
Yes, sir. Mine also the same doubt.
Yeah, sorry. Can you please repeat?
Ayush and Dhruv, we will first review your pull request, and if any changes required, we will suggest to it, and then we will merge it. After merging your pull request, then only the changes will be visible to the web.
Okay, sir. No worries.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anubhav. You have any doubt, Anubhav?
Yes, I think I missed the last step. After means opening my changes in the GitHub. What I have to do next?
Okay, after
Means can I
you
share
can present
screen?
your screen. present your screen.
Okay. This much I have done. After
So after that, okay,
that,
scroll up, create pull request. Press on create pull request.
after that,
Leave a comment. Write what you have done. You have done in this, like update data.json file.
means we have. Sorry.
So you have to write here what you have done.
Okay.
So you have updated the data.json file, na? Right? We have updated that JSON file. So anyone from IIITV ICD? Is there any student from ICD?
Sorry, but what I have to do next?
Yeah, so scroll down, create a pull request. Congrats, your first pull request is created.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So is there any student from IIITV ICD here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Harsh, have you created your one PR?
Sir, I am stuck at that step, that git commit. I'm not getting what to do after that.
Okay, so present your screen.
Yes, sir.
So from first year IIITV, if have any doubt, just raise your hand.
Is it visible?
Yeah. Okay. So here, other than me, Nitanshu Lokhande, he is also from third year, and he is the open source mentor of GDSC, and also Keshav Agrawal. You can ask your doubt from them also. Nitanshu Lokhande and Keshav Agrawal. You can ping us on Discord. We will reply you soon.
Sir, please provide the Discord link.
Keshav, can you please provide the Discord link?
Rahul, sir.
Yes,
Sir?
Harsh.
Yes, sir. What I have to do next now?
Okay, so you have to simply write GitHub push origin master.
Yes, sir. GitHub.
Just a second. After origin master, you have to just enter.
Sir, I have entered. Sir, it is not showing something that Vital unable to access. So can I restart from that git add?
No. You can use Control C.
Yes, Control C.
Okay. Now again write git push origin master. And press enter.
Origin master. Enter. Try press enter.
Okay. Sign in with your browser.
कहाँ गया?
Yes,
Authorize.
Good. Yes, sir.
Now go to that git bash again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your first request is created. Now go to GitHub. That GitHub repo.
My account, na?
Yeah. Your repository.
Yes, sir.
Click on that GitHub workshop Jan 2022.
Where it is? This one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Click on contribute.
Where it is? Add file.
Here. The branch is one commit here. थोड़ा नीचे. नीचे नीचे
हाँ contribute हाँ sir
open pull request.
open yes sir create pull request
Yes.
yes sir
Now you have to write what you have done. Like you have updated data.json file. You write I have updated a data file. I have updated that file. So I have tell you in this session that what you have how to contribute in open source, how to use Git and
हाँ
GitHub while making PR in open source. So when you make any PR in the open source, you have to write that what
अच्छा
you have done.
but until now I have done nothing now.
No, you have updated data file, na?
अच्छा okay so can I write that comment now?
Yes.
I have updated data file now.
So Keshav has updated two links in the chat box. One is of Discord link of GDSC IIITV, and one is the link of IIITV Coding Club. You can join both the Discords. All the updates of events will be announced here only. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in GDSC Discord. GDSC IIITV Discord. Yeah, you have successfully created one file, Harsh.
Sir, can
Sir,
I share my screen?
Sir,
Yeah.
after my name it is written #13 means that I am
This is
the
one of the 13 pull request.
okay and okay sir so
There are total 12 pull requests in this file.
okay sir so can I stop presenting now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you sir.
So
Thank
Harsh,
you
you can also ask your doubt from your senior, Rishabh Bhandari. I think he's here also. Rishabh, are you here?
Sir, I have doubt.
Parmar, tell me.
Sir, I have what are the changes I have to made in the data? I am not understand from that step.
Okay, so
Sir,
you are
is
going
this-
good. You are going good. You have to just only change the GitHub link, LinkedIn link.
Okay, sir. Sir, I don't have Twitter account, so shall I
No
not
issues.
update
You can leave it blank.
that? Okay, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Harsh.
Sir, after git push origin master, I am getting some error like
Present your screen.
just a minute.
So here we have 53 students. So, but we do not have any, do not have 53 PRs. So Janvi Jain, Aditya Raj Kashyap, Akansha, Akash, Akshat. Where are you
Sir, is my
guys?
screen visible?
Yes.
Sir, I'm getting this. The permission to host talk one not denied.
Write your command again, like git push origin master. Write this again. Have you authenticate?
Yes, sir, I have done here. Then git status. Then I have.
Press enter.
Excuse me, I guess Harsh, you had configured the GitHub through different accounts actually.
Yeah, sign in with your browser. Now click on sign in with your browser.
Oh yeah, I signed it from different account. I got it.
Okay. Do it again, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so.
Sir, can I stop sharing?
Yeah, sure. Akansha, Ankur, Anshul, Anubhav, Ayush. Great. Jagruti, Krish, Manvi.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have made changes in the data. Then what should I do?
Then make PR.
Sir, I done the command git add dot, but it's saying fatal.
So first you have to write cd. You have to go into that repository for writing. For going to any repository, write cd. Like after that, GitHub hyphen workshop. You do not have to give any space in between hyphen. GitHub workshop. GitHub workshop hyphen Jan 2022.
GitHub
workshop hyphen Jan
hyphen Jan
2022. Hyphen के साथ. You have to first give hyphen.
Okay.
Yeah, Deshmukh Kedar, you have to just copy that git clone link from repository. Click on code and there you can copy your link.
So what to do after git add dot command?
Git status.
Git status. Press enter.
Yes. So basically, I am explaining again that we use git add dot command to add all the files in our repository. After that, we have used git status to check the status of our files, what changes we have made. Like we have modified the data.json file. After that, we will use git commit -m command with text message. What we have made the changes, what changes we have made in this screen. Like git commit, give space, then -m. Parmar hit, give space. -m, then in double quotes you have to write a message. Like in this you have to write your student ID and your name. After that, git push origin master to create any pull request. Okay, so if anyone has any doubt, first year.
So then what is the command for pull request?
Git push.
Git push.
Origin. Yes.
Sir, I joined late, so just can you tell me where do we have to create that pull request? I will do it myself after some time.
Nitanshu sir has comment one link in chat box.
Sir, I am not able to push it to master.
What error are you facing?
Sir, that's same.
Give access.
Support for password authentication.
Yeah. You can give your access. Authorize it.
Sir, how
Enter
to authorize?
password.
Sir, after entering password, it is giving this error.
It will not give any error. You will open. Yeah. Hit open like this. You will authenticate the user and it will not give any error. Now hit, you can click on that part on repository.
Repository.
Yes. No. Yes. This step. So click on contribute.
Where is?
Here. Go to file के नीचे.
Go to. अच्छा, okay.
Open pull request.
So nothing is happening. I am clicking it.
First refresh the page.
Okay, sir.
So guys, anyone has any doubt?
Sir?
Sorry, who is? Yes, Somil.
Yes, sir, I have a doubt that if we have pushed an update and then I feel like I have to update something else in my original file, I update it and I commit it again and pushed it again. So will I have to create a new pull request?
No, it is not necessary.
Okay, so it will be updated in the original pull request itself.
Sorry.
So the second update which I make will be updated in the original pull request itself.
Like if you want to make successive changes in your earlier pull request, then you do not require any change. You do not require any pull request change. Like you do not have to make any another PR. Like, but if you want that change is different from your earlier change, then you can make different PR.
Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Parmar, here request. So, anyone has any doubt? Be quick, please. We will end this session in 5 minutes. So, please, if anyone has doubt, please ask. After this, we will end this session. Okay, and Nitanshu, please stop the recording.
Sir, where will we get this recording?
You can access this recording from GDSC IIITV YouTube channel.